A Healthy Hero, social story created by Teacher Jaz. I wear a mask on my face to protect myself and others from coronavirus. I am a healthy hero. I don't like the way my mask feels on my face, but I will get used to it. I am a healthy hero. I don't need to wear my mask when I'm inside with my family. I am safe at home. I wear my mask when I leave my house to be around others. I am a healthy hero. Even when I wear my mask, I still stand 6 feet away from other people because I am a healthy hero. Even when I wear my mask and stand 6 feet away from others, it is still important to wash my hands with soap and water for 20 seconds. I am a healthy hero. Doctors are working hard to make coronavirus go away, but they need our help, the help of healthy heroes. When the coronavirus is defeated, I won't have to wear my mask anymore. I am a healthy hero. I will still be sure to cover my mouth when I cough or sneeze. I will still wash my hands with soap and water. I am still a healthy hero. The end.